This for my bros, got it at a mother where mine is. Jump off that porch and I never look back.
Hey you guys, so in this video I'm doing my baby girl's hair, doing the knotless braids on her. Her hair is super curly and sometimes unmanageable, where protective styles are the best styles for her. As you can see, it's already parted because her hair was in passion twists, and I just left the parting to make it easier to put the braids in. So I just moisturize each box and with leave-in conditioner, and here I'm putting in some edge control for her edges. So as in my previous video, when I did the knotless braids on me, you start off with one plait as you begin to make your plait, and then you're just going to feed the hair in. Same thing, it's easier doing it on someone else opposed to doing it on yourself, but still an easy hairstyle. So I'm not pulling too tight. It looks like I'm pulling hard, but I'm really not. But yeah, she's super tender-headed. As you can see, I kind of made a mistake here, but yeah, she's super tender-headed, and I gotta be super gentle, which is why I leave her hair in protective styles, because it's easier to comb through and all that when even when I deep condition her hair. Just gotta keep it sectioned off, but nothing like throwing a movie on for her and just letting her sit there and do her thing while I do her hair. Hair days are the worst days for moms, but we do what we gotta do when we gotta do it, So I decided to let her have some color for a change. She has a pretty natural brownish, blondish hair color, but her favorite color is blue. So I let her have some sprinkles of blue here and there. I only did a few braids. Didn't want it to be too much. She's only 7, and I'm not opposed to little girls having color in their hair when it's braided. I think it's cute. This was a first for her, so she was super excited to have blue in her hair. I thought it came out really cute too.